Number 2, don't procrastinate, meaning don't ignore your task. The longer you wait to do something, the more difficult it will be to get completed. Instead, do the work on the day itself and save your time for new work in future. Number 3, hard work. Small efforts every day will help you to stay stress-free and save your time for new work in the upcoming days. As we all know, hard work pays well. And number 4, prioritize things. If you have long list of work to do in a day, instead of doing it randomly, try to set out most important thing first and then follow up later. I hope these tips were helpful for you. Stay tuned for more such videos.